Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a task and add it to the calendar in the TickTick application. So let us begin. Start by navigating to your account on TickTick, click into task here, and what you want to do next, guys, is go to today here, for example, and then what you want to do is here create a task, right? So let me go with, for example, task 2, just for the sake of this tutorial. Give it a name here, right? And then click into the calendar here and set a day. So today is July 16th. Let me postpone it or start it on July 23rd next week. Click into OK. And then, guys, what you want to do is set a priority here. For example, add an attachment, tags, and you may also set the given task to repeat, and so on and so forth. After that, press enter, and that is going to create the task. And that's basically it, guys. You will see then the task here in your inbox. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.